Although they're easy to overlook, your tires and wheels are some of the most essential parts of your car. After all, they are the first things between your vehicle and the road, which means they run the risk of sustaining damage every time you get behind the wheel. Road hazards like glass, construction debris, potholes, and even a tiny nail can mean having to repair or even replace your tires and possibly your wheels. This could cost you hundreds, if not thousands of dollars, depending on the extent of the damage. Alloy wheels are much more expensive today than the old steel wheels of the past. Lower profile tires are more susceptible to damage and provide less protection to the wheel. Run-flat tires cannot be repaired and must be replaced in the event of a road hazard. It happens to everyone eventually, but you can prepare for it with tire and wheel coverage to give you peace of mind and the knowledge that help is just a phone call away. When the inevitable happens, don't be unprepared. Protect yourself and your vehicle with tire and wheel coverage from NAS.